Hi, Alexandra here, owner and founder of Vinok Personal Stylist, which is based out of Washington, D.C. Normally, I help good people look the part, but today we're also going to help good people smell the part, because we've got not one, not two, but 3 Dior unboxing videos to get through today, all of which are New Year's 2025 gift sets by Dior. So I'm so excited to see what past Alexandra got current Alexandra. I've been waiting for these for like days. And I can't wait to share with you. So I hope this helps you, decide whether or not you want to buy these things but I'm not sponsored. I just am a huge fan of Dior. You know this if you've been following my channel. As far as companies go, they're not perfect, but as far as major designers go, they are really high up there in terms of their attempts at environmentalism, lessening their footprint, and even the roots of the company are solid and good. So I will always support Dior, even though I've never been sponsored by them. So anyway, let's do it together. 3 gift sets. We got this. Enjoyed that. I certainly did. Please leave a comment or like and subscribe to this video and my channel. But I'm interested in which gift box you like the best. So if you would, leave a comment about that because like I said, I'm a huge fan of Dior. Furthermore, if you're interested in knowing more about Vinok, you can follow us on Instagram, you can follow us on Facebook, on Pinterest, or certainly the YouTube channel. We've got a blog, all that's free. I've got a mailing list, free tips every month. So just reach out. All of the links can be found in the description or a couple of them up here on the screen. So wonderful chatting and Happy New Year. I hope your New Year is as great as you are. Love.